Eats is the second most popular food delivery app in the United States and can be a really great app to add to your mix. This video is going to cover the top 5 things new Uber Eats drivers need to know, from the good to the bad and the downright ugly. Welcome back, everyone. It's Kim from Kim's Side Money Plans, and I'm here for the RideShare Guy. The truth is, this list is just the tip of the iceberg, but the information I'm going to share with you today is enough to keep you afloat and profitable right from day number 1. Whether you are looking for a side hustle or full-time work, Uber Eats has some pros and some cons to working the app. Mainly, the biggest thing, it's market specific. With Uber Eats only having 26% of the food delivery market share, coming in second to DoorDash's 65%, some areas make some really good money, and other areas, not so much. Before you start any app, I encourage all drivers to do your own research. You might ask me, how can I even do research in a market that I really haven't even started? Well, it's pretty easy. Go to the actual Uber Eats app, like the one that you actually order food to your house. Yeah, that's the one. You are going to want to look to see how many restaurants are actually in your area. Are there a lot of sit-down restaurants? Are there a lot of fast food restaurants? Mainly you want sit-down restaurants because those are going to give you your biggest bang for your buck and the most amount of tips in your area. The next thing is you really want to look to see what the wait times are. This is really important. If there are long wait times, your area might be busy or has less drivers than the demand of customers ordering, which is actually a really good thing. That means orders are going to keep coming to your phone, and hopefully you're not going to be sitting around waiting on orders. But speaking of making some money, you are going to want to stick around for the last one in this list of 5, because it can truly earn you more money if you are already a driver, or having you earn like a pro right off the bat if you are new and just starting out. So let's get right into the list. Number 5, Uber Eats is the easiest app to work. To start working the app, you just hit go and you're online taking orders. I love that about Uber Eats. There is no scheduling needed. It is the true meaning of coming and going as you please. You can work in the morning, you can work in the afternoon, heck, you can even work at 2 a.m. The only thing is they only allow drivers to work no more than 12 hours a day, so just keep that in mind. But as far as the order from start to end, it has fewer steps than DoorDash and Grubhub, making it an easy process for the driver to make money and keep completing orders quickly. Number 4. Don't fall for Trip Radar. Trip Radar are orders that are sent to multiple drivers at the same time, hoping they get taken quickly. Sounds pretty cool, right? But it's not. What they don't tell you, they are all the orders drivers have declined several times over, and it's usually for a really good reason. 90% of them are just utter crap. They are majority of the time under $1 per mile. Most are 75 cents or less per mile, which means between wear and tear on your car, miles, and gas, you are losing money, not making money. So just be really careful. Number 3, stacked orders are a pain in the butt. Can they give you some really good payouts? Absolutely. That's the best part about them. I've seen some $20 plus. Sometimes even 40. They can add some serious cash onto your goals, making it quicker to achieve more money. But with great payouts come some risks. Here's why. When you get an offer, Uber Eats only shows you one crossroad of one drop-off, not both, and you can't even zoom in on the map. You only get 2 little teeny tiny dots. One of the drop-offs can be in a location you're not comfortable delivering to. Another thing, you only see one restaurant, not both restaurants, and you have to guess by, once again, a little teeny dot on the screen. pick the wrong restaurant, there could be wait times and ultimately really pissing off 2 customers instead of 1 and possibly losing tips. Yes, customers can take away tips, which leads me to number 2. This is the ugly part. Tip baiting does happen. A customer has up to an hour to adjust any tip after delivery, reducing a tip or taking it completely away. Some customers try to abuse the system and put in a big tip to get their order quickly, and when they receive their order, they take the tip away because they already received their order in a quick manner. It is so frustrating when it happens. Not to scare you, and that's not what this is about. On a positive, it doesn't happen too often. In the past 3 years, it's probably only happened to me a handful of times. But when it does, man, it stinks and it is not a good feeling. The one thing you can do is provide really great customer service, and communication is key with customers. Provide those two and it reduces your risk of tip reduction. Unfortunately, tip baiting will always be around until Uber Eats decides to take away the power and the feature from the customer. Number 1, and finally the last one, sign up for the Uber Plus card. By doing this, Uber Eats will send you a credit card in the mail, and then you can do order and pays and even shop and pays. If you are open to completing easy shops at local drugstores, convenience, or grocery stores, you can make some really good money and quickly. I've seen payouts for $15, $20. I think the highest one I've seen is for $40. It adds some serious earnings to your totals. It gets you to your goal quicker, so you can either go home earlier or you can stay out making more money, exceeding your own goals. Here's a little bonus for making more money on Uber Eats. Go to your account, hit on the Work Hub. These are extra deliveries available that can make you more money, such as alcohol delivery, Uber Connect, don't do it, Uber Direct. You can sign up for your Uber Pro card in this location as well, and there's some RideShare specific tabs in there as well. There is money to be made. Go make your money on Uber Eats. And those are the 5 things every new Uber Eats drivers need to know. So, experienced drivers, let me know, what would be the one thing you would tell a new driver? And new drivers, leave in the comments any questions you might have that I didn't cover today. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Are you new here? Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Make sure that bell is turned on so you know when the latest videos come out. Looking for more Uber Eats content? Don't forget to check out this video right here. I'll see you next week. Bye, everyone.